Hello, I'm Sarah and this is my teammate Noor. We're going to talk about our application Zahma. Nowadays, Bahrain is facing traffic problems because of car accidents and road congestions, which leads to traffic jams and time wasted.
So the main purpose of our application is to raise awareness of current traffic jams and to reduce the number of traffic jams that are happening. The main target audience for this application is for Bahraini drivers, non-drivers, and those who spend most of their times in their cars. Our application is unique because it allows the user to comment about current traffics or any traffic jams that they are facing. Also allows them to rate the traffic jam, whether it's too crowded or it's not that crowded. Also, the application will include a map that shows the user the roads with the current traffic jams and the free roads, and they'll be tagged with two colors, red and green. The green for the free roads and red for the current traffic jams.
The application provides two ways to register. The first is by creating a new account or by signing in using a Facebook account. After choosing the wanted destination, related comment will appear to the user. The application also has a favorite page that shows previous routes used by the user. We're adding extra features like voice note and syncing different platforms like iPhone, Android, and PCs.